In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Rust PC on Xbox and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you are probably aware, on Steam, you can download and play Rust PC version. This PC version of Rust is different from the current console version available for PS4 and Xbox. As you can see, if I try to go into the options of the Steam version and look through these options, you will notice that none of them refer to playing this on a console or connecting it to an Xbox or PSN account. As you can see, these are all settings related to the PC version of the game, and no settings here allow us to connect this to a console and play through there. Even if we go to the official Rust website at www.rust.facepunch.com, go into the support page and look for Xbox at the Help Center, the only thing that pops up is related to the Rust Console Edition. Sadly, as of today, if you want to play Rust on an Xbox, you need to use the Console Edition. There is no workaround to this, and you can only play the PC version if you play the game on a computer through Steam. You cannot play Rust PC version on an Xbox as of today. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware that the PC version of Rust is exclusive to computers and is not available for Xbox, and there is no workaround to this. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.